If your device only accepts a 32 GB card or lower, and the card you want to use is 64 GB or higher, then you'll need to format it in a certain way to get around this. What you can do is download this file, which you'll find underneath the or above the video you're currently watching. So click on that. Just click on download. It will give you a warning that it can't scan for viruses. There's no virus on here though, so just press download. Our internet's not the fastest, so it'll take a few seconds, but if you just wait, it will start downloading. There you go. Click on save. It's this one called Rufus. You see I've downloaded it already today, but if it's that one, press save, and it will go into your download folder. Click on it here, and that will open it. Or if you're using a different browser or you miss the pop-up, what you can do is go down here to your files. Along the side here, you want to find the one called downloads. There you are. And then just double click on it. Here it'll open. Okay, and then next thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to plug the card in. It's important that you make sure you've got the right one selected. You can see I've only got one on mine, but if you've got more than one, if you format the wrong one, you'll clear the data off the wrong stick. So do note that as well, that when you do this, it will clear all the data. So make sure you backed anything up that you want to actually keep, but also make sure you can select the right one as well. Next thing, you need to make sure you put this as non-bootable. It's just a normal SD card. The volume label is basically just the name you want to give the card. It doesn't really matter. You can change it later anyway. Then here, you want to make sure it's selected as large FAT32. And then just leave that as the default, whatever that is. For mine, it's 32. But whatever the default says, just leave it. Click on start. And again, it will give you a warning to say it's going to delete everything off this. So you press OK. And you'll get this down here saying deleting partition. Now, it says it might take a while, but it only takes a few seconds. And once that's done, the rest of it only takes a few seconds after that. So once it's complete, though, you can just say done and take the card out, and it should then work in the device that you want to use it in. We're just going to wait there. You see, it flies through once it's started, and that's it. That's all done. So once that's finished like this, you can just literally just take the card out. Some people like to use the safe eject. I must admit, I never do. Just take the card out, and then it'll be able to work in your device as intended.